Hi guys, Jackie from the BUILDERALL team. In this session, I'm going to show you how to find all your affiliates information that are selling your product. So you're going to have to go to the site that you've created and where you've added affiliates. On the left hand side, you're going to scroll until you find Super Checkout. And once it opens up, it's going to look like this. And you're going to scroll down way to the bottom where it says affiliations. Now, if you did not change it to automatically approve, then it will sit right here and you will have to do it manually. But if you did set it to approving automatically, you're just going to click on affiliations and it's going to throw all your different affiliates right here. And depending on the levels that you've created, let's say Hank was the first affiliate and you now have a second one that is signed up underneath Hank, that would be have a number 2 next to it, and you will see the difference there. So I'm just going to click on details so you can see what it looks like. Here you can see his details, all the information for Hank and his affiliate levels. When it comes to the payment, you're going to click on affiliate payments, and this is where you will see what needs to be paid and to whom. And when you scroll even further down under downline, this is where you would see if anybody has signed up anybody else underneath them and there is a downline. And that is how and where you will find the affiliation information.